Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. And this video just we are going to discuss about our Google Sheet and option scanner for a positional and weekly update we are going to do in this video and also monthly positional. So due to drop in the Nifty and we have a lot of opportunities which triggers in the first week itself. So such a good opportunity and 2 days it was in a gap down. So from almost more than 3% where market is corrected from the recent top. So we are looking for a positional opportunity almost exactly 5% down in Nifty. So we have a lot of opportunity both monthly and weekly because this is the first week and both monthly and weekly are same, but weekly which is started one day earlier and monthly which is started by second or something third I think, sorry, 1st of October. And these are all the opportunities which we got it based on the scanner for a monthly positional. Some of the stocks, almost three stocks which more than 50%, almost 20%, near about 10 stocks and 15 above almost 15 stock. But it is a purely a positional trade. So we are based on our advanced option strategy. We are looking for an options entries. We are not going to look for all the options. We have to try to find out only few based on our concepts. Okay, so how to select a monthly 3 to 5 stocks for a positional one. So last month we are updating our monthly sheet. From this we have some stocks like BPCL, and that was given you opportunity, and now it is almost which 370 call option 25.1 and now it is 30. So let me check, and this is what a top of 15 stock which I'm just looking for an opportunity from this category. If any stock which triggers our advanced concepts, so maybe we will try to focus. And in this case, BPCL I'm just looking at, and let me check the BPCL 570 put option and what is happening. BPCL 370. Okay, whether it is a valid entry or not is happening. BPCL 370 put option. So look at this, the strike which is increased, and it is on the 1st of October it is closed by 11 rupees, and the next day it was almost 24 rupees. Our entry point, so where exactly which we are looking for an entry is somewhere around 25.1. So let me mark the level 25.1 whether it is triggered or valid or not. So 25.1. So you can look at this. In this case, it doesn't give you the opportunity in this particular trade, but the retracement those who are looking for, exactly it came to 25.1. Now it is 30. So in this case, it went up to 24.6, our entry point on 25.1. So it not able to trade. So this trade, so we are considering it is a not active at this point. So it is not active trade based on the concept. But here for a retracement we may be trying, and now it is almost 30, almost 5 rupees higher from our entry point. But still we have the positional either hedging strategies or directional or non-directional, mostly directional strategy like 2.1, 3.2, so which you apply. So still it is almost 5 rupees profit. It is based on our top stocks which we are selected for the month of October from this list. And based on the movement of the stocks, so we have a lot of stocks. Tata Consume almost 40% 1210. Let me go for Tata Consume 1210 monthly positional. So it is an exact entry, almost 56.1. So let me check 56.1 whether it is a valid entry or not. So here where we can see this is a valid entry that was happening on 3rd October 2 o'clock 30 minutes. Almost it went maximum of somewhere around 81. Now it is closed by 77. So you know well where we can keep our stop loss and keep our target. Maximum it went up 44%. So you know well the stop loss where we can keep based on the concept which we are using. Okay, and a lot of stocks which given you opportunity, and some of the stocks that moves well, and same like that weekly positional. So we have a Reliance 3080 put option, so that is having a good move, and whether it is a valid entry or not. So our entry point on weekly basis 127. So the 127 that may be triggered on 1st October itself, and after within a 2 days holding that was giving you such a good move on Reliance and lot of stocks in put side because market is keep on moving lower. But even those case we have some opportunity in call side like Petronet, Tata Chemical, Lalpath, but overall market trend is showing a negative. So we will try to find an opportunity in at what the direction of the market. So we will look for that direction. Okay, so now we are going to update and intraday. So a lot of opportunities we got yesterday, but it is a two times up and down is happening. So now for an example, ITC 515, ITC 515 put option, and we are using a R4 level, right? 115 minutes time frame based on the R4 level, where you can see the R4 level, it triggers almost 12:30. After triggering that 12:30, and it was keep on rising, and it may move well. So if you are looking at our Google Sheet for a scanner, and it will be finding out those stock which is triggering our intraday entry, and whenever it came into the top, or if you want to find a newer opportunity, this may be a newer opportunity. Before taking a trade, you should confirm whether it is triggered previously or not. For example, LTI, LTI Mindtree, so 6200, LTI Mindtree 6200 put option, whether it is triggered or not. Let's look at this. It is triggered exactly around 2 o'clock, and then it came down, but we are not looking for a 2 o'clock, that is for an intraday. It may be a it is not a valid time for an intraday. So before taking a trade, you should consider whether the trigger point, that is what a camera R4 level, is triggers or not. If it is triggers, you should wait, and only fresh breakout you can look at this. And this monthly IV, so we have just crossed about a 5 days, and we have almost 20 days is there in a month, so no problem. I think this month expiry, I think 31st. Okay, so it will be a long contract up to 25th. We can look for a positional opportunities before the expiry Friday, before the expiry week Friday. So at most 25th, we have the opportunity to hold or take a opportunity by till 25th. But if your market reverses from this low, so maybe we will be getting a weekly opportunity. If market reverse, may get good opportunities in weekly based position also. So let me try. And inside Camarilla, so we are updating only few stocks inside, forming a inside. For an example, Muthoot 1980 yesterday, 1980. Someone who asking this level, which time frame I can use it? Muthoot Finance. Okay, so we go for 1980 put option. If the stock doesn't have a liquidity, so in this 15 minutes time frame, it doesn't show you the levels. So, but R4, it's an inside a level 1980 put option. Sorry, it is about 1980 call option. 1980 call option, where it is in exactly inside. But in this case, we are looking for a breakout about R4 level, and yesterday it doesn't give you the chances for R4 breakout. Instead of that, if you are looking for a put, so maybe it is giving you the R4 breakout comparing this to strike price. But I always focus those stock which forming a this particular strike price which exactly forming a inside level that I am fetching, and I was updating on our Google Sheet. And this time for tomorrow, what are the stock which forming only one stock, which is IDFC First Bank, which forming a 71 call option, which forms the level, and no other stocks which forming inside because a big movement which is happening in the market, and this level for tomorrow. So let me check how it is an insight. You will be going to check with the tomorrow's market open, after you will be getting updated R4 level, or some indicators which tell you like a tomorrow Camarilla or tomorrow CP or something like that. So you can use the tomorrow Camarilla to find the level for this, and it will be exactly telling you what would be the exact level, and this would be the stock which I finding out in call side. It is an inside level. Okay, so already we have updated a weekly for a next week. This next week data which is started from 7 to 11. So you may be utilized for an breakout opportunity based on the positional concept. Let me try to update the sheet, and it will be updating the changing the strike price and lot of opportunity which last week we got it. Even the creation of the weekly sheet also based on our positional concept, try to do 2 3 opportunity per week. That's good enough. So let me try to update our Google Sheet now for these weekly and intraday. It will be automatically updated, where we are going to change the levels, and the strike price it will be updated for next week, that is based on the last week. Okay, let me try to do that. So next week, so the strike price is updated. and you will be finding the new update, and the data will be changed for the weekly purpose, and monthly still remaining same. It will be not updating any changes here. No stocks will be nearby our entry point. So 100 is our entry point or the key level which is breaking, that will be mentioning here by it is showing you 100. And monthly positional still it's remaining same, and we will wait for an opportunity in call side. Maybe the first 3 days market is more than 1,000 points, and it may be a recovery, and we have the chances in call side. And if you have already taken a put, maybe you can wait, or you can edging also if your market reverses. And intraday now it is updated, and this strike prices which is showing you, it is illiquid ones, and it's showing you earlier exactly the same level. Maybe it is not trading well, and after 9:30 you can check, we will be finding a fresh breakout easily. And this is what an inside level for tomorrow, and that is the only one stock which I find out. So thank you so much, thanks for watching, and this is what our update on our Google Sheet for the next week as well as intraday. Thank you so much. Thank you.